Hi there. In this video we are going to be assembling an ADDE chair from IKEA. Opened up the packaging. As you can see, the two sides here, the seat part where you actually sit on, the backrest, some connectors in here, and the plugs for the legs so you don't scratch on whatever you put them. They tell you to assemble onto something. I'm using the cardboard box. This is what we have in the box, and we start assembling. And I wasn't being able to find these two that we need to start assembling because they were actually here, and I thought they are part of this, but they are actually not. They are just in here for transport, so you simply pop them out. And in the front we put the long one with the big screws. Where are they? These ones, and the nuts, these ones, through these holes. So something like where are you exactly? Something like this. The long one in the front, the short one in the back, and they need to align with the screw holes. So let's open this and start assembling. As you can see, starting to put everything together, they give us some special screws with a really short head, which goes in here. The holes are not aligned on this side, as you can see. Now it's a bit too low. Come on. Yeah, fun and games of aligning this. Be back in a second. Take two. We come with the screw through the hole, and it will actually not pass through the hole. Come on, cooperate. Yeah, be back in a second once again. And as you can see, the head is fully tucked in there. And from the other side we come with the nuts. And we will not be holding the head with anything because it already has a hexagon shape on the support itself, so it will not be able to rotate. You just need one of these, a 10mm hex key. Obviously you don't need a clicket one like this, any simple key will work, and start tightening all of them one by one, or in a cross pattern, or whatever you like to do it. One error: do not tighten this when it's laying down because it will not stay flat on its feet, so they are still loose. And we continue hammering those things in here, I mean these plastics, then putting the back on it, tightening the back on it, and only then tightening this for in place, because otherwise it's going to stay probably on 3 legs and one be in the air. Hammered the plastic parts into the 4 legs, slide this thing down, and then put in the tiny screws. One is in and one needs to go in, that ones, with a Phillips screwdriver. Next step, after those are tight, put the caps in. If I could actually clip them in with one hand. That didn't really clip in. Let's try that again. Okay, and it clipped in. Do that for all 4 screws, and then we simply lay this on top and it will also clip in. Okay, those are in, and now we come with this thing, and hopefully it clips in here, and we have no problems whatsoever with it. And it seems to be still a bit wobbly, but I think that will sort itself in time. We tried to hold it down while tightening, but still became a bit wobbly. Okay, and that's about the end of the video. Hope it helps you to assemble these things. They seem to be really sturdy, but at the same time really light. So that's about it. Check out my other IKEA related videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.